Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Next Weather meteorologist Orelon Sidney joining me right now with a check of the forecast. Orelon.
I think we're going to have some good weather for the Shaky Knees Festival.
Right, it's going to be some good times.
Yeah, I think so. It's going to be maybe some good times on the other side of the rain. How about we talk about that? But I think it'll be over with in time for the weekend. So
nice.
Good news. Take a look at what's going. Come on, take a look at what's going on across the country. We are looking at high pressure set up that really is giving us a southwesterly flow, and you'll probably notice today temperatures did warm up. We managed to get up to 54 degrees across the area, so that was indeed a warm up, and that high pressure system that's sitting there pumping in that Gulf warmth and moisture is setting us up for a new storm system. Part of it is actually back across the Great Lakes right now, but there's another area of low pressure, a little shortwave coming in from the west, going to join up forces with that and give us a chance for rain and thunderstorms starting tomorrow evening, going through your Thursday. So your Thursday is going to be a wet one, and then ending on Friday. So that is certainly some good news. What's going on right now is that we do have some snow headed for New England, the last thing they need, right? Well, the storm system that brought the blizzard to them is gone, but this area of low pressure is going to be pushing towards New England. If you are planning a trip into New York City, Philadelphia, perhaps Boston, you will run into some snow tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. Snow's on the ground, more snow is coming. Let's see, what are we looking at as far as rainfall for us? Well, we could sure use it, because not only is Georgia in a drought, but a big chunk of the southern United States looking at drought conditions right now. I'm actually going to switch that map on you a little bit so you can get a little bit better view there. But those drought conditions are getting to be extreme across parts of Florida, south and central Georgia, stretching up through the Carolinas and all the way into New England, back across the Mississippi Valley as well. Now we're starting to get into severe weather season. That does bring us rain, but it tends to be in very small areas. So we're starting to get to the season where we're not going to get a whole lot of relief from that. Rain outlook for us. It is going to be quite dry over the next 6 to 10 days across the southeast. You really have to go across the Ohio River and across the Mississippi River to get to areas where it might be a little bit wetter than average. And the temperatures are going to be warm too, so that's going to speed up all of the evaporation and probably intensify our drought going into the next 6 to 10 days. So not something you want to see there. Take a look at our extended forecast. So tomorrow, after a low temperature in the 30s, getting up to the low 60s here, skies will be cloudy, but then you'll start to see some rain move in, especially in North Georgia by the time we hit sundown. Then it's raining overnight and into Thursday, high temperature 64 degrees. By Friday, it's over. We're in the upper 60s with cloudy skies, and look at this weekend. Hey, Shaky Knees, you've just kind of managed to get right in there in the good weather, looking at sunny skies, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. As we get into next week, we'll see another little chance of rain, but look at those temperatures staying quite moderate, even overnight. Lows in the 40s and 50s. My goodness, what did we do to deserve this? Sharon?
We waited patiently.
That's all we can do.
Thank you.